What was the best part about the conference?
The soft naan and the chicken.
The soft naan and the chicken.
With a lot of social anxiety, I made one friend.
It was so nice meeting people of your community.
तो काम करते हो?
मेरा ब्लॉग चल रहा है. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Charminar में स्नान करेगा. I'm too crowded for us, but we are like really happy. What to do? Nothing. Just have to say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi. Saurabh Chandigram.
लाइन में क्यों बैठे?
कैसा
Love working from somebody else's home. यहाँ का व्यू बहुत अच्छा है. यहाँ पे हवा बहुत अच्छी चलती है. There's the pool here. और यहाँ पे सबसे एपिक बात मुझे ये लगी कि सारे जो बिल्डिंग्स हैं वो डिज़नी थीम्ड है. सो लाइक एज यू कैन सी ये लायन किंग क्लब लिखा है विद एग्जैक्टली द डिज़नी फॉन्ट. ऑल ऑफ दीज buildings in this society are Disney based, and I just love that. It's so cute. Yera Simba, we have Simba here. Super cute.
Start with inviting Neha Saraswat.
Everybody, just go to the exercise. Bring up.
ये मेरे vlog के लिए है. With a lot of social anxiety, I made one friend. वो भी कैसे? मैं अपनी चाय में चीनी डाल रही थी, and this person at the same time was also putting chini in his chai, and I was like, this is like a glitch in the matrix, and I was like, ये तो भाई this is meant to be, this can't be a coincidence. दो लोग चाय में same time में चीनी कैसे डाल सकते हैं? And here we are. This is my first ever UX conference, and I just want to say that I'm proud to be here. And इसका भी पहला ही है, but I'm proud of myself. कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें तो. This is not alcoholism. I do not promote alcoholism. You should be as sober as you can be. अगर आपको ड्रिंक सूट नहीं करती तो आप ड्रिंक मत करो. अगर आपकी टॉलरेंस हाई है तो आप ड्रिंक कर सकते हो. Also, people with social anxiety, how do you do it? Despite having social anxiety, I made 4 friends.
Camera is done, right?
1, 2,
There's a bag here.
4 friends. What do I have to do? Nothing. Just have to say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hi, Saurabh Chandigram.
सोचूं के थम जाए पलिए पास मेरे जब हो तुम चढ़ती है सांसें पहले से ज्यादा पहले से ज्यादा तुम day one of the day one of the conference was so not what I was expecting, and in a good way. It was amazing. I have social anxiety, and from what I recorded last night, I could see that I didn't have social anxiety anymore. But that's not true. I only talk to people when they come and talk to me, which is weird. Then I can like yap all night. But जब मुझे किसी से बात करना होता है, like have to be the icebreaker, मुझसे नहीं हो पाता भाई. But apart from that, the speakers and in general the people all around India who came for this conference, sub designers sitting in with a bunch of designers, was something I've never experienced before, because I'm the only designer in my company, and it just felt really nice to like talk to people about my YouTube. I was like, I have 5 subscribers and I'm a YouTuber, and they're like, yeah, I'll be your 6th. And I was like, oh. So that was pretty great. Today is the conference day 2. Today a lot of women designers are going to be in the scene, including the design director of YouTube, which I'm like very excited to meet. But yeah, overall I think I'm glad I attended the networking dinner. अगर वो मैं नहीं attend करती तो मैं most probably अपने कमरे में आके बस पिज़्ज़ा खा के सो जाती, and that would have been like wasting my potential. सुबह cheeks pink करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, वरना you look like you're like dehydrated, which I am. I'm not a fan of alcohol. Like I usually take it only when I'm like, when it's an occasion, family के साथ, with friends. I don't do it with strangers. But yesterday felt like I needed to do it, and अब मेरा मतलब मुझे वैसे hangover वगैरह नहीं होता, but अब मेरा पेट is like, it's like that. कहाँ देखूँ तो नहीं क्यों वहाँ पे एक लड़का था जो उस एक्टर की तरह दिखता है जो रमैया वस्तवैया में था. सब मेरे दिमाग में बस ये गाना घूम रहा है, चलती है सांसें
पहले से ज्यादा तुम पे मरने लगा.
But apart from the removing the interaction, like my personal experience, I felt like ये workshop बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं. Even if you don't like, this workshop was about entrepreneurship, and I'm like a very junior level. मेरे लिए entrepreneurship was not relevant, but it was so nice meeting people of your community. And I think मेरी dress मुझसे भी लग रही है, but I can't do anything about it. यहाँ पे press नहीं है, so I've decided talking on camera is so much better than voiceovers. Voiceovers में you have to like create a script, और फिर वो बात नहीं आ पाती when आप जब उसी वक्त बोल रहे हो. So this is my makeup for right now. My hair has become like really greasy. अब मैं जाऊँगी breakfast करने, फिर मैं निकलूँगी. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. I'll record a little bit, or to vary things. I'll record a little bit of what we're like doing. Should I look here? Should I look here? I'll just look here. I'll record what we're doing, and I might even go visit Hyderabad today, like as a tourist. वो भी record होगा. So like I did not potentially want to create a Hyderabad, what's this called, vlog, but now I'm doing it. So this is my look. It's my pretty dress, and yeah, okay. मुझे ऐसे हमेशा रिकॉर्ड करना बड़ा मज़ा आता है. मतलब we have these lights and अच्छी वो मतलब cinematic mode, like I feel like a proper YouTuber. So बाल नहीं बनाए मैंने अभी, मुझे बनाने हैं बाल. And अभी I'm heading for breakfast because my, like I said, my stomach is नहीं. Okay, cool. See you later. Ready to go. This is my whole outfit. I love dressing. Super classy, super stylish. See ya.
Many of you have used a Microsoft product in the past and wondered who the hell designed this thing? right? And I will tell you it was us, sitting on our campus.
This is not awkward. Kavya, did you like the food?
हाँ?
Did you like the
It
food?
was so good कि ये हमारा तीसरा राउंड है.
ये तीसरा है.
अब हम डेजर्ट की तरफ जा रहे हैं.
अब डेजर्ट खाना है तुझे.
It was too good. जन्नत. बहुत बढ़िया ये.
क्या है ये?
जलेबी विद रबड़ी. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस आना बिल्कुल सफल हो गया.
जलेबी खा के? टॉक से बेटर तुझे जलेबी लग रही है.
ये मैं और नए लोगों से मिली. Imagine having social anxiety and talking.
Wow. Who are you going to thank this?
Me,
This achievement.
myself and I.
You yourself and yourself.
You.
Okay. Thank you. How are you liking this workshop?
Yes, please.
First on, and you are close to design education and shaping it up. So how
10 hours into it. Super tired. I made a new friend. Made a new friend. Gonna hang out with this for the rest of the night.
I don't think so. I'm just trying to flatten it out. I'm just flattening it out.
Running a little late today. It's 8:52. I'm supposed to reach by 9. But this is my final day look. I'm just wearing like a Uniqlo formal top and jeans. So yes, day 3 final look. We are here to the end, and this is the work. We have a workshop for Microsoft Inclusive Design, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, see you after the workshop when I come back. Bye. Yeah.
आप लोग कितने साल से आप लोग काम करते हो?
मेरा ब्लॉग चल रहा है.
अच्छा.
I'm at the Microsoft Design
What? Where are you?
Inclusive Design Microsoft.
Inclusive design. You can't look.
I'm at the
Tell the
Microsoft
person's
Design
name.
Sprint for Inclusivity.
Oh.
That makes a lot of sense.
Limb difference, spinal cord injury, cerebral palsy, right? Conditions that limit someone's.
कैसा लग रहा है तुझे? Give a honest.
इतना घुसना नहीं होता है. This is malpua with रबड़ी. इसका घी सब निकल गया है. But still very good.
Okay, very good.
11 on 10.
11 on 10.
नशे हो गए.
नशे हो गए.
I think for most people who are thinking of trying to do this, you think that the hardest part is inviting, people with disabilities from.
नहीं मैं कर लूँगी record. I'm self-sufficient.
Self-sufficient नहीं होता.
I'm independent. Efficient.
Independent woman.
This guy judged me.
Yeah. Blog कर दिया.
Such a good session. Heading to Charminar now. Tea. Now that the conference is over, it was a good conference. Did not get much to do with the hands-on exercise, but it was still like really good. So now that the conference is over, it's time to finally explore Hyderabad. I did not get a chance to like do much. I got to eat like really good chicken at the conference, so like thanks to that, had like 7-8 naan with really good chicken. Had biryani on the first day, लेकिन उसमें बहुत मिर्ची थी. So like I don't know if it's the authentic Hyderabadi biryani or not. Is it Hyderabad or Hyderabad? Hyderabad. Anyway, so now I'm gonna like visit Charminar. तो चारमीनार में स्नान I don't know if you know, but it's like Shakira का जो गाना है Hips Don't Lie. Sorry, not Hips Don't Lie. Football anthem Waka Waka. उसमें there's this line.
चामिनार में स्नान करेगा. It's for Africa, so like it's a bad joke.
So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get into something desi, and I'm gonna do a little quick small transition. I'm trying this for the first time. If this works, तो ये मेरी हर वीडियो में होने वाला है. So like, what do I do? I don't know. Let's keep it easy. Let's do that. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna transform into my desi girl era. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hi. I have transformed into my desi girl era. In my
धीम दा धीम दा धीम दा धीम दा धीम दा. Okay, मेरा सुर नहीं लगते, but yeah, you got my point.
I'm loving this pink Lucknowi kurta, which is we are not in Lucknow, but like this goes everywhere, right? This is like super cute. Got my earrings on. अब मैं मुँह धोऊंगी क्योंकि I look like really drained out and like tired. तो मैं मुँह धो के आती हूँ, थोड़ा सा मुँह ठीक करके आती हूँ. Then I'm gonna comb my hair and then we'll go visit Charminar. I'll see if I can get some pearls. मैंने सुना है pearls मिलते हैं. And I'm not a bangle girly, so we'll see about that. But I'll like see you in a bit. Bye. So I'm trying to do some makeup. I don't know what exactly I'm doing. I'm in a hurry. Plus I'm like really tired. तो मेरे में ऐसी इतनी energy नहीं है कि मैं full fledged makeup करूँ. But I'm just trying something.
So what I usually do is what my sister has taught me. इसके जब आपको कुछ भी ना आता हो मेकअप में, तो just like draw one brown line with a brown eyeliner. और वो भी सीधा होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. Then take a पतला brush, something like this, and उसको smudge कर दो. So it gives kind of like a smoky, थोड़ा सा फैला हुआ look, and it doesn't look weird at all. ये उन लोगों जिनको बिल्कुल भी eyeliner लगाने नहीं आता सीधा जैसे कि मैं. Even though it's so strange because when I paint, like my strokes and everything is like really straight, but I don't know, ये आँख पे मुझसे नहीं चलता. I don't know why.
Tired man, मेरी कमर दुख रही है. उम्र तो हो ही गई है वैसे मेरी. By 3 PM I should be in bed for the night. But the society won't allow me to like take that kind of rest in the day.
This is all just makeup brought by my sister, and I just like she taught me how to use some stuff, and I just like use that. You need to like brush it off क्योंकि वो blush पड़ना बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, फिर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको जुकाम है. मेरी तो थोड़ी नाक बह रही है, but it's fine. I'm just gonna probably speed this up because nobody cares what I'm talking about. Sadly, that's why I have like 6 followers, subscribers. My bad. This is my favorite part. So like I always put inner corner of my eyes the glitter. I've been doing this since 2016 when I learned about it, and I haven't stopped.
And जिन लोगों के यहाँ पे गैप ज़्यादा तो उन पे तो और अच्छा लगता है. I have to like stretch my eye out क्योंकि मेरे गैप इतना नहीं है. उंगली से ही कर लो यार, आधा मेकअप तो उंगली से हो जाता है. ब्रश सब फालतू की चीज़ है. Yeah, I guess this is how it looks. Now I'm just gonna like put on a really cute lipstick. So this is what it looks like. Cute. But since my hair is like super oily, I don't know how I'm gonna. Gee man, it is so oily. मैं 4 दिन से इन बालों को चला रही हूँ because I just did not have the time to wash it. Plus I don't have my serum, so अगर मैं धोती भी so it would have been like a really big risk. ऊपर से तो मैं दिखा भी नहीं सकती, ऊपर से तो बहुत ऑयली है. ऐसे चोटी बांधनी चाहिए, मुझे खुले रखने चाहिए. ऐसे तो मैं थोड़ी सी बंदर टाइप लगती हूँ. हाफ अगर मैं ऐसे रखूँ तो इसमें ऑयल ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. I don't know man, this is like stressing me out. ऐसे बनाऊँ तो ये तो और ऑयली लग रहा है. It's giving कोई मेरी दुकान चुराना चाहता है. If you know, you know. Dandruff भी दिखने लगी अब तो. I really need to wash my hair. Does that look good? Or should I just like completely open my hair? मैं एक बार flip करके दिखाती हूँ. The nails are nailing though. I think this works. Yeah, I think I'll go with this. Okay, cool. See you at Charminar. Fit check. I'm wearing baggy jeans because that's all I have underneath my Lucknowi kurta. बाकी तो सही लग रहा है मेरे ख्याल से. सुपर एक्साइटेड. मैंने आँखों में भी अपना सारा मेकअप कर लिया है. ईयरिंग भी बहुत अच्छी वाली डाल ली है. So like not my usual look but I love it. Let's go explore. सामान भी पैक्ड है क्योंकि अब मैं बस निकल ही रही हूँ. 2 minutes of appreciation for my sundar nails and let's go. मैं रिकॉर्ड करना शुरू किया तो बर्थडे चली गई. वापस आओ ये वाओ नाइस. Looks nice. Yeah. Yeah. We are at Hyderabad Charminar. Kinda confused. Too crowded for us, but we are like really happy. Got good pearl stuff. How are we liking the experience? Yeah, अब हमारा बिरयानी खाने का टाइम होने वाला है. चारमीनार तो दिखाएं. चारमीनार में स्नान करेगा. यहाँ वैसे स्नान करने की जगह नहीं है, बट वी गोना क्रॉस चारमीनार नाउ. क्या तूने सोचा था कि हम कॉलेज में डे 1 पे मिलेंगे और अब हम चारमीनार घूम रहे हैं? हम दुबई तक जा चुके हैं. हैदराबाद तो बहुत इजी है. हाँ, बट हम चारमीनार घूम रहे हैं. That's just crazy. नहीं, अब हम आ गए चारमीनार की तरफ. ये चारमीनार जिसका हमें एक साइड का मीनार तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है. क्यों बन गई दुकानें? दिख नहीं रहा. बैकग्राउंड ऑफ चारमीनार मिल गया भाई. चारमीनार. यहाँ स्नान करने की जगह नहीं है. चल वॉक. Say good night to my vlog. Good night. Good night.